Hello, my name is Edil and today I'm going to show you how to use our system. Now this is the first page or the home page of our system. To log in, you need to enter your name and the student ID number and sign in. Click the sign in button. Now let's try something that is not yet registered to our system. You will be given a prompt error message. To check whether you are registered already in our system, click the button here at the left side of the browser. Now try inputting your ID number here and click the search button. For example, this Jeremy F. Patigdas has an ID number of 4. Copy the name and go to the voting page, then paste your name there and your ID number to sign in. Jeremy F. Patigdas has now already signed in and he can now start voting. You cannot submit the data unless you fill up all the fields. And now let's go to another page, the total votes page. In this page you can see the current leading status of the representatives, the vice president, the president, treasurer, PIO, secretary, and so forth and so on. They are already the top ranking representatives, and to view the votes, you can click on these buttons here. Like this, Carlo Agustin Nacua has now 4 votes and Tony Dadal has now 1 vote. EB English, the BSCE, the AMC, second senator, first, so forth and so on. Now let's go to other page, the voted already student. In this page you can see the students who had already voted, but for now I haven't voted yet, so there is no data here in this page yet. Now let's go to the registered voter page. In this page you can see the students whom have already registered in the system. You can also type the ID number of the student here to know whether he or she had already registered in our system. Now let's try inputting a number who had already registered in the system. Click search and boom, there we have it, Pretty Boy S. Pidas with an ID number 8. So to log out, you need to click on this red button here to make sure that the other student whom is going to replace you in the computer that you are using are not going to use your data, and by that then cheat and vote for your own way. That's it. And to go to votation, you need to sign up. There, Pretty Boy S. Pidas. Click log out to make sure that others cannot cheat. Thanks for watching this video, hoping that everything you heard will be stored in your data bank.